Wow. Here it is. Valentine's Day. Here's Sportster. Oh, the love of my life. Yeah. And here in February, usually the weather is a little bit better than this. And the snow started coming down. Oh, the old hippie biker here. Don't think I'm going to go riding today. Really wish I had one of those Euro patrols. That might be a lot of fun today. But no riding on February 14th, 2021. And we're expected to have this all week. And this is something we don't usually have. Well, here's the Sportster. It'll be another day before we go riding. If you like this video, hit like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And don't forget to share. This is the Hippie Biker. Stay tuned because the journey isn't over with yet.